The new Low Profile series of ventilation fans from Broan delivers efficient exhaust ventilation in a flangeless housing that fits into 2x4 construction. That means they can be installed vertically in a normal stud cavity just as easily as a ceiling. Before you begin installation, switch the power off at the service panel and lock or mark the disconnect with a warning tag. For wall installation, position the housing with the exhaust port facing up and secure the unit with screws through the keyholes in the flanges on the right-hand side of the housing. For ceiling mount applications, the same flange can be used to mount one side, while the sliding adjustable mounting arm is used to secure the other side. In either case, the edge of the flange aligns with the edge of the framing to allow the housing to sit flush with the wallboard. Next, slide the tab of the oval duct connector into the slot of the exhaust port and secure it with the supplied screw. Attach 4-inch ducting to the connector with duct tape. The wiring panel is opposite the exhaust port. Connect the 120-volt AC cable to the knockout plate with an appropriate UL-approved connector. Connect the wiring according to the wiring diagram: black to black, white to white, and green to green or bare wire. Reinstall the wiring panel with the provided screw. Set the fan speed to 50, 80, or 100 CFM depending on the size of the room and desired airflow. A cardboard mask is provided in the packaging to protect the unit during construction. When construction is complete, remove the mask to install the grill. Install the grill springs into the housing and snap the grill into place to finalize the installation.